Hey YouTube, Zach here with Savage, traveling today down here at Tower Rock Campground in Elizabethtown, Illinois. It's a free campsite I found off freecampsites.net, but that's not what we're talking about today. We're talking about my 2003 Town & Country. It's been a great van. I've had about 4 years. I put about 100,000 miles on it. Quite a bit of miles with the kayak on top. I've slept quite a few miles in the back. I mean, not really, not while it was, while I was out on the road, I've slept in the back of it a lot. I'll say that. But I'm just here having a couple beers, burning some logs. It's starting to cool down. It's going to be a beautiful evening down here on the Ohio River, I think. Ooh, excuse me. Waiting for the barges to come through. Supposedly you see them or hear them every once in a while. But right on, guys. This is my back of my setup. I know I just did a video the other day, and I didn't have anything, like I have done a whole lot more than what I showed you the other day. If you want to go back and watch that video, but I mean, this is it. I throw my mat down. I throw my sleeping bag down and I sleep on top of both of them, and then I have another sheet stuffed away in the milk crates there, and I just, because it's quite warm out here, and if I do need another blanket, I can get in the sleeping bag, or I can use a wool blanket. I got this other sleeping bag here. I have a whole nother comforter quilt up there if I need it. And I just wanted to say how great this van has been to me. I've had it like 4 years. I've slept in it, the back of it a bunch, and this is the only way I've ever slept in it, actually. I may have tried to do it without the mat a few times, and then I got hip and I had to buy something because my back is just not as young as it used to be. But overall, the Town & Country is a great campmobile. As long as you can get rid of the seats in the back, you have ample room to lay down. I'm 6'2". I'm not short. I'm not short at all. And it's just enough for me. I wouldn't want to be too much bigger laying in the back of this, because like I gotta do sideways, and I gotta do like in the ball sometimes. But other than that, it's a great van. So if you ever think about needing to live in a van or camping in a van, just know that the Town & Countries, or the Dodge Caravans, good camping mobiles, I would say. Like I said, I've slept in the back of this a bunch. I've slept in the back of it in the snow. I've slept in the back of it when it was 90 degrees and had to run the air all night long. Like, it's just been a great, well-rounded camping machine. I drove it 5.5 hours down here straight, and like I said, she hasn't failed me yet, But I mean, that's all I got to say about that. As you can see here, I use these camp crates. I got all kinds of cool milk stuff. Camp stuff stuffed in the milk crates right here, guys. I got some coconut water for them in the morning. Like I said, I got some more beer. But that's about it, guys. I just wanted to show you how I really used the camping setup, because I know the last video it was just kind of like a bunch of stuff thrown in the back, and I'm like, yeah, I sleep back there. Cheap. But right on, guys. Oh, look, a barge. I didn't hear it. Oh, cool. Can you see it? I don't know if you can see it with this camera. Oh, it's long as stuff. Heck yeah. I wish this little booger had zoom and I could show you guys that. All right, guys, this is Zach Savage, traveling out here free camping down here in, would be eastern Illinois along the Ohio River. I appreciate you guys for watching, and please hit that like and maybe pound that subscribe button, and then we can get to know each other a little more. Okay, peace.